honey. Had a crazy day at work today. Lie down for a second and I had to... Have you been waiting all day for me to continue talking about the origin of the universe? No! So there it was. Our sun.
Hello?
Oh.
I can't hear me. Can you come closer to mute? No! You can be my friends, right?
That's so sunny.
Well, we're talking about 4 years ago, honey. Things were different. Even something like life was unthinkable in these conditions. But things would begin to change.
Planets? Are we going to see planets?
No! We finally reached the planets. Yeah!
Hello? Wait, you're a plant? I have a plant? You're a plant? My first plant ever. You were born from the stuff that I came from. In fact, you could even be a planet. You're mostly made of hydrogen and helium, like me. Yeah, I know. Hey, when you're afraid of the dark, just look at me.
Orbits were messy, and a lot of planets crossed paths with each other. So sooner or later, many planets just...
Hey! Watch your step, Mercury!
No! Hey!
What's your name? Neptune. And you? Unfortunately, Uranus. Oh, I don't see anything wrong with that.
Hey, you're Saturn, right?
Yes? And you are?
Oh, I don't have a name. I like to go by the name of X, or...
Let it W.
Well, nice to meet you,
Let it W.
Hey there, you must be Jupiter. Nice to meet...
Cool. Well, anyway, Saturn, what are you doing live? Just try to go too far from your orbit, okay? Some of the rocky planets are still being formed and, you know, you're a biggie. Listen, I know it may be a bit too late to change orbits, but my friend is at the other side of the belt. Can I? Jupiter! No! We've talked about this! But I used to be able to change orbits freely. Now I'm just stuck here. I'm having it! Come on, you're the biggest planet! Be a good example to all the others! We can talk later, Jupiter. Wake. The sun is distracted.
So?
I can do this. I can cross to your side. Great idea! For you.
Guys, no! Stop! Jupiter, you can't do this!
Wait, look out! Wait, no! No, sorry. It's not my... What? That's how Jupiter changed orbits to where he is now and caused the destruction of several rocky planets. This was the Grave of Jupiter. To be continued. Bye!